2018 Urban Sketchers Symposium here in beautiful Porto, Portugal. Please tell me your name and where you're from.
Right, I am Renato Palmuti and I come from São Paulo, Brazil.
Excellent. And can you tell me a little bit about what you typically like to teach in a workshop?
Yes, I like to work a lot with watercolors,
Yes.
so I try to enchant my students with this thing. In this workshop specifically, I am working with black and white sketches that we call no-tan sketches.
Right.
But I always work with drawing and composition. I speak a lot about this in the workshops before speaking about techniques and all the things that watercolor comes with.
Okay, excellent. Do you have some examples to show me?
Yes, sure. This is a small book I use in São Paulo to draw. These are some small sketches in a park called Parque da Aclimação in São Paulo. You see that I don't draw very much.
No.
The shapes and forms appears with brushstrokes.
Just brush strokes.
Yeah, but I like to study composition, so you will see a very small drawing here that is the study for that.
Okay.
Sometimes I like to do it. This is the same place
Oh, beautiful.
with some reflections, and I always look for this beautiful silhouettes.
Yes. And you go straight in with the watercolor, no pencil.
There are a little bit of pencil just to mark what is water, what is vegetation, what is building, but
Right.
not details, only some limits.
Right, right.
I like to establish planes in the painting. So you will see a first plane, a medium plane, and a background,
Right.
very defined, and so it gives depth for the composition. This is a beach scene
Beautiful.
with a little bit of reflection, planes again. There are some I did here in Porto. Look, the icon of the city, the
Yeah.
bridge.
Right.
You see that even when we have lots of details, I try to put only a mass shape with lights and darks.
Wonderful.
This is the little bookstore.
Yes.
There are two views from this place.
Wow, beautiful.
Yes, I think
You
it's
really
it's a
captured
very hard thing to draw.
Oh, well, especially straight with watercolor.
Yeah, it's true. And this is what I was speaking about, the no-tan sketches. They are black and white compositions, and then based on these small studies, we can see the planes we have and plan our painting. And then we can do some bigger and more complex scenes like this.
Right.
But if you squint a little bit, you can see that the values, the blacks and whites, are balanced according to the first sketch.
Right.
The clear and dark areas were planned for that.
Right. So you like to focus on the foreground, the middle ground, the background, the values.
Yes, the main thing is to find what is interesting in the composition,
Right.
what I want to represent as a focal point, and then I start working with this. So I will draw the main thing, and then the rest will come automatically.
Beautiful. Thank you so much, Renato, for chatting with me today.
Thank you.